We welcome you to Novotel Jakarta Cikini on the agenda of IVD Manufacturer Bootcamp.
FIND is an international non-government organization working on accelerating access to quality diagnostics for all.
We are happy to have more than 821 medical device manufacturers, and we have more than 14,000 of local product licensed.
In the past, maybe 3 years, past COVID, I think we have realized that our capacity in making medical devices related to COVID prevention is extremely low.
We already have proof that we can develop that test. All the work is about doing iterations to make sure we meet the requirements.
If you carefully think about all the products that you are making and how they need to be supported by your quality system.
FIND sangat membantu kita dalam menemukan kekuatan dari masing-masing perusahaan, tapi juga kelemahannya. Nah, dari kelemahan itu justru membantu kita untuk improve lagi apa yang bisa kita tambahkan, apa yang bisa kita benarkan.
Yes, we knew that the audience would have a very different experience in IVD, both in terms of ISO certification, in terms of production, in terms of putting things on the market.
So we are now going to speak about moving into how to assess what you need to look for in terms of different regulatory markets, regulatory agencies, if you are going to expand your company's reach beyond the local market.
Saya akan berkoordinasi kepada tim terkait ilmu yang sudah saya dapatkan hari ini, tentu saja untuk membenahi terkait penyusunan dokumen kami, terutama untuk produk-produk Alkes IVD ini.
So design controls help you to identify errors and address designs in the early phases, so you will be able to address them less expense of time and money.
Dan ini sangat membantu kami untuk lebih mengerti mengenai proses yang terjadi dan menjadi persyaratan untuk PQ WHO.
However, we wanted to set the standard at the same level for all and go through the key steps and the key requirements.
It's a very good practice to have a design and risk meeting before and after the tech transfer to make sure you have assessed all the risks.
If you have one of those well-accepted standards and that's your comparator method, you have to call that out and use that method in your evaluation.
Dan saya yakin dengan menerapkan apa yang sudah diajarkan di sini, itu bisa membuat ibaratnya sejalan lah dengan kualitas produk sendiri, karena ya kalau bisa diingat ini kan sudah standar internasional ya.
It meant that for some of them it would be repetitive, for others it would be new. But we really went through all the steps, gave the key references, gave the key tools to everyone.
Terima kasih kepada tim FIND yang sudah meluangkan waktunya untuk berbagi pengalaman dan pengetahuan kepada teman-teman industri alat kesehatan diagnostik in vitro di Indonesia.
Karena dengan adanya bootcamp ini bisa mendukung target Indonesia untuk melakukan transformasi
untuk dapat menghasilkan alat kesehatan yang dapat digunakan oleh seluruh masyarakat Indonesia dan juga dapat meningkatkan penggunaan alkes dalam negeri baik di dalam maupun di luar negeri.